So today we're going to be discussing about what is AWS. Okay. Today we're going to be discussing about what is AWS. So is there any new joining for today? Is there any new joining for today, please? Yes. Okay. Yeah, fine. Yeah, so for today only, I think so. I'm asking the today, something, please. Okay, fine. Fine. So, so before starting the session, please, before starting the session, I have one question. What is an application? What is an application? What is an application? That is my first question, please. Before starting the session, we have to clarify. What is an application? What is an application, please? The application is nothing but website, like a Flipkart. Yes. Like a IRCTC, like a Book My Show, like a Redbus, like a Redbus, like a Facebook, please. So application is nothing but what exactly, please? Application is nothing but what exactly, please? A website. Okay, I'll repeat, guys, please. What is an application? The working software which is written any programming language we call as an application. Yes, please. What is an application? The working software which is written any programming language we call as an application. That application, guys, please. That application we're gonna be deploying onto the servers. We're gonna be deploying onto the servers. After deploying our application on the servers, we can able to access our internet as a website, like this. I hope you understand. So what is an application? What is an application, guys, please? I'll repeat. The working software which is written any programming language like Java, .NET, Python. That application we're gonna be deploying onto the server side. Then we can able to access our internet as a website. That is nothing but an application. Good, very good. And to maintain this application properly, we required a infrastructure, please. Infrastructure. What is this? What is infrastructure, please? What is infrastructure? So for example, to maintain your home, we require infrastructure. Or else to maintaining your office, we require infrastructure. Guys, please. To maintain your home, you require infrastructure. What kind of infrastructure? Fan, refrigerator, sofa, comb, stove, AC. These are all infrastructure or not? To maintain properly our home or not? The same way, to maintain our application, what infrastructure required? To maintain this application, to maintain this Flipkart, Redbus, Facebook, this kind of application, to maintaining our application, what kind of infrastructure required? So computing power, guys, please. Servers. We required a server to maintain our application properly. So we required a network, please. We required a network. We required a network, please. And so then storage and databases. Database storage. So by helping of this major or main infrastructure, we can able to maintain properly our application. Okay. So by helping of this infrastructure, we can able to maintain properly our application. Good, very good. The next question, please. How many ways, please? How can able to get this infrastructure? How can get infra, please? Again, 3 types, guys, please. We can able to get physically, please. This infrastructure we can able to get physically, please. Physically, please. And virtually, please. And cloud. And cloud, please. So we can able to get this infrastructure either physically or virtually or a cloud. Then we can able to deploying our application or maintaining our application. I'll repeat, guys, please. So to maintain this application, we require this infrastructure. This infrastructure we can able to get either physically, virtually, and cloud. And mostly we're gonna be using, please, AWS cloud. So this AWS cloud. From this AWS cloud, we can able to get this infrastructure and maintaining our application, and we can able to access our application through web like this. Okay, I hope we understood very clear that. Tell me, right? So what is AWS cloud? So that is what exactly today's session. Our today's session is, please, we're going to be discussing what is AWS cloud. What is the cloud? That too, what is it? Why we're going to be using for AWS cloud? That is exactly we're going to be discussing for today's session. Got this, guys, please? Yeah, fine. Very good. Let us start our demonstration. Let us start our AWS cloud. Yeah, please. Very good. So what is the cloud, please? What is the cloud? What is the cloud? What is the cloud? Please listen very carefully. Please listen. Please listen very carefully. What is the cloud? So if we can able to access the remote placed resources, if we can able to access the remote placed resources over internet from your laptop is nothing but a cloud. What is a cloud, guys, please? If we can able to access remote placed resources like servers, network, storage, databases, or anything, if we can able to access our internet from your laptop is nothing but a cloud. But what is the computing, please? What is the computing, please? Computing is nothing but what exactly? RAM, CPU, servers. These are all we calling as a computing power. Am I right? Please. But what is the cloud computing? The remote placed computing power as a servers or computing power or network or storage. If we can able to access our internet, is nothing but a cloud. From a laptop is nothing but a cloud computing, please. Okay. So to become a, for example, if you want to become a cloud provider like AWS, like Azure, like Google, please, and we have to mitigate some rules. Okay, we have to mitigate some cloud rules are there, please. So to become a cloud computing, so we have to follow some rules and regulations. Okay, let us discuss about one by one. Then you can able to clarify. 5 essentials, 3 service model, 4 deployment model. Then okay, fine, go very good. Let us discuss about 5 essentials, guys. Okay, so on demand, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, and measure the service speed. Okay. So these are all 5 essentials. Okay. These are all 5 essentials. These are all 5 essentials we have to mitigate. What are the first rule, guys, please? On demand. On demand, in the sense of what? Whenever you want a server, the server is immediately ready for you for deploying our application. That is nothing but on demand. So can able to physically, for example, if you want to buy a laptop, so immediately within 2 minutes, within 1 minute, the laptop will get you, please? No, it is not possible. It will take at least 1 day for buying a laptop. But it's not like that here, please. Whenever you want a server, within a minute, we can able to get the server, we can able to deploy. That is nothing but on demand. As soon as possible, we can able to get the server through cloud. That is possible, but not possible in physical server. Physical server, it will take maybe couple of weeks also, sometimes couple of days. Okay. So then what about next concept? Broad network access. So which I created servers in the cloud or not, please? Which I created servers in the cloud, those servers, those resources, if we can able to access over internet from anywhere in the world by using internet, is nothing but a broad network access. Okay. So I'll repeat, guys, please. On demand in the sense of what? So whatever you want for deploying our application, immediately we can able to get through cloud instead of using physically virtual. That's it. But those resources, if we can able to access from anywhere in the world through internet, is nothing but a broad network access. Okay. Then resource pooling. By using resource pooling, we can able to duplicate. We can able to duplicate. So can I able to duplicate a laptop? Can I able to duplicate a laptop, please? Can I make a laptop 100 copies? No, it is not possible because of in the physical world it is not possible. But if it is a cloud, yes, because if it is a logically, it is a virtual form. That's what we can able to duplicate a number of types. For example, we have a server. That server we can able to duplicate. We can able to make it hundreds of copies. That is possible in cloud, but not in the physical phase. And very important feature in the cloud, elasticity. Elastic band, have you heard about elastic band? What is the elastic band has, please? We can expand, we can able to decrease, we can able to increase or decrease expansion. The same way, please, our resources like servers or computing power, we can able to increase or decrease at any point of time based on the customer load. Based on the customer load, please. So if it is customers are increasing, for example, Flipkart. As of now, we have only 5 lakhs people. Okay. So tomorrow is a big sale day. Definitely it will double the load. Maybe 10 lakhs to 15 lakhs users will be getting into our server. What will happen immediately? Can able to make it ready our servers? No, it is not possible. Within a 5 minutes, we'll able to make it double the servers, double the resources, double the computing power immediately in physical world. No, it's not possible. But if you go for a cloud, yes. If you go for a cloud, yes, we can able to doubling, we can able to increase, scale up and scale down our resources at any point of time based on our customers. That is exactly possible in cloud, but not in the physical environment. Yeah. So for using these all the resources, so the AWS will be, the cloud will be generating bill monthly wise, and we have to pay. Yes, please. So we have to mitigate these are all the rules. Then I can say I am a cloud provider. Very good. Then, so what about 3 service models? SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. Okay. SaaS in the sense of what? Infrastructure as a service. PaaS in the sense of what? Platform as a service. IaaS in the sense of what, please? Infrastructure as a service, please. Okay. So the cloud providing SaaS, the cloud providing PaaS, the cloud providing IaaS. But as a AWS engineer, as a DevOps engineer, as the Linux administrator, we are part of IS only, please. Infrastructure as a code. We are not part of PaaS. We are not part of SaaS. We're not worrying about these two. We are worrying about only for IS because of we are admins. We are maintaining. We are admins. We are maintaining our infrastructure to maintaining properly deploying our applications on cloud. That's it. Okay, please. So let us understand what is SaaS. SaaS is nothing but a software as a service. If we have any software, please, the working software, if we can able to deploy our applications on cloud, the software is servicing it to the people like a Flipkart, like a Facebook. The Facebook is in a software, please. Flipkart is a software. Redbus is a software. This software, if we can able to deploy application, deploying onto the cloud, from the cloud, if we can able to access our internet, is nothing but a SaaS. That's software. If we can able to access from the cloud, from outside world, it is nothing but a SaaS. And what about PaaS? Platform as a service. For example, if you want to execute any Java code, what required basically? First, we require hardware, one server, hardware layer. Then what about next, please? We require operating system. Then installing Java. Then setting class path. Then only we can able to execute our Java code. So what cloud says, don't worry about these all things. Directly can able to execute only code. So don't worry about servers, don't worry about operating system, don't worry about installing software, don't worry about settings also. Directly developers can execute code without worrying about their infrastructure. I hope you understood. So the cloud gives you Java as a platform as a service, .NET platform as a service, Python platform as a service. So we are not developers. First of all, I'm clarifying with you, we are not programmers. Okay, guys, please, I hope you understood very clear. That's what we are not part of PaaS, but we are part of IaaS, infrastructure as a service. We are part of IaaS, infrastructure as a service. So as an admin, AWS admin or a cloud admin, we are providing infrastructure, servers, network, please. We're providing servers, network, database, storages to maintaining our application. Where comes under IaaS, infrastructure as a service. So we understood 5 essentials, 3 service models, and finally we're going to be discussing about 4 deployment models. 4 deployment models, guys, please. We have a 4 type of one second. Okay. We have a 4 deployment models, guys, please. 4 deployment models. One is public, private, community, and hybrid. So we're talking about only hardware layer, guys, please. So for example, you are a businessman, I am also a businessman. We have a business application like Flipkart and Redbus and Amazon and Facebook. These are all 3 applications. These 3 applications, please. These 3 are all applications. If you deploying onto the same hardware, on the same RAM, on the same CPU, on the same computing power, is nothing but a public. What I'm trying to tell you, please. The same resources like a computing power, like a RAM, CPU, motherboard, whatever may be, it is going to be sharing into the multiple applications. We're going to be hosting different kinds of application on a same hardware. The same data center is nothing but a public. So the computing power will be shareable. But what about private, please? Private is nothing but a format, for example, Facebook or maybe Redbus. Okay. So for my Redbus, a specific, a dedicated, okay, a specific resources, a specific RAM, I'm going to be deploying. That RAM the CPU, the motherboard, the computing power will not be shareable to any other application. Yes, please, that is nothing but a private. So my resources like RAM, CPU will not be shareable. It is specific to only particular application, particular website. Is nothing but a private. And what about community, please? We'll discuss later. What about a hybrid? The combination of public and private. The combination of public and private we call as a hybrid. So we are using some both kind of servers we're going to be using maybe. So for example, Access Bank application servers in cloud, okay, but our Access Bank database servers in our on premises. The combination of our own data center and cloud data center, cloud servers are our own servers. The combination of both we calling as a hybrid. And what about a community? Community is nothing but community is specific for only for specially designed for only for specific purpose. Maybe DRDO, ISRO, NASA. Those people can able to use this kind of servers, this kind of resources, guys, please. But more security compared to private, hybrid. The community is more secure. One more layer, that's it. Okay. These are all the 4 deployment models. If we can able to fulfill, please, if we can able to fulfill these competing rules, then you can say I'm a cloud provider. If we can able to fulfill these all the rules and regulations, then only we can able to say we are the I am a cloud provider. That means what I'm trying to tell you, please, all cloud providers like AWS, Azure, Google, whatever may be, any cloud provider has to mitigate these rules. Then only they can say they can able to become a cloud provider. That means any cloud provider has to follow these rules. Okay, I hope you understand very clearly what exactly we discussed. I'll repeat, guys, please. What is a cloud? Please, anybody help me? What is a cloud? Anybody help me, please? Please, I'm waiting for your reply in the chat box. What is a cloud? I'm waiting for you, please. What is the cloud, please? What is the cloud? The remote placed resources. The remote placed resources. If we can able to access our internet from a laptop is nothing but a cloud. But cloud gives you only servers, not computing laptops. Guys. The cloud gives you, please. The cloud gives you, please, servers. I hope you understood very clearly what is the cloud. What is the cloud computing, guys, please? What is the cloud computing, guys, please? If we can able to access the remote placed resources or internet from a laptop, is nothing but a cloud. Yeah. But cloud is rental based, guys, please. The cloud is a rental based services, guys, please. We are not buying servers, we are taking a rental service, please. The cloud is providing only a rental service like a wallet card. Yes, please. So let us understand with examples, please. Let us understand this with an example. So build and then use. Select then use, please. Which is easy for you, please. Building house then use. So select house and use. Which is easy for you, please. Okay, I'll ask you one more question. So buying a car or rental a car, which is easy for you, please. For example, to reach your railway station, for reaching your railway station from your native place, okay. For reaching your railway station from your home, you require a car. Okay. Are you preferring rental car or maybe going to be buying instead of, your purpose is only for reaching railway station only. Your requirement is only for reaching railway station as of, instead of going railway station, you're going to be buying any showroom to buying a car, please. Which is easy for you. Book a wallet cab and go to reach your destination. Am I right? Yes, please, very clearly. So, for example, if you buying a car, what will happen? You have to invest a front amount like 15 to 20 lakhs, maybe minimum 5 lakhs minimum. Then you required RC, you required driving license, you required a pollution check, you required insurance copy. Then finally, if you don't know driving, you have to recruit one driver also. These are all the headache of buying a car. But if you go for rental car, simply booking a Ola cab or Uber, then within 10 to 15 minutes, the car is available at your doorstep. Okay. Then you're going to be getting into that car. So no need required. So driving license, RC, pollution check, insurance copy, not required. You're going to reach a destination, then pay how much you're going to be travel. That's it. That's over. Your job is done. Your purpose is resolved. Then you're going to be catch your train. You're reaching your native place. That's it. Guys, please. I hope we understood very clearly. In this example, just replace with car with server. In this example, replace with car with server. That's it. In this example, car with server. That's it. Okay. So for example, what is the result of place? Application. For deploying our application, please, we require infrastructure, servers, network, database, servers. We can able to get three ways, please: physically, virtually, cloud. So the cloud is rental based DSP. Okay. So are you going to be buying servers, maintaining your own way? This is very difficult, guys. Or else go for rental servers and maintaining your application, which is easy. For example, if you go for buying a server, for example, for buying a server, it's going to be upfront maybe 100 crores. Okay. By 100 crores, we are buying computing power or maybe servers. But where will we keep your servers, guys? Please. Where will we keep your physical servers? We should be keeping data center or not? Who will pay? Please, who will pay rent monthly? Who will pay current bill, AC bill? Who will pay employee salaries for every month? Network engineer, storage engineer. Okay. Then Linux administrator. Who will pay the employee salaries? Very difficult, you know. So that instead of this headache, let us go for select. That is nothing but cloud. So from the cloud, we can able to get servers and we can able to play easily. So what I'm trying to tell you, please, by helping of cloud, we can able to easily deploy our application. That's it. But so we can able to go for Azure or Google or any cloud provider. But in this syllabus, in this course, we're gonna be discussing about AWS, Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services. The Amazon Web Services is the first cloud provider in the world. It introduced in 2002. Okay. So compared to all cloud provider, AWS is a number one. Okay. In the AWS is providing these many services and so many, but so in this screen we existing these only few of them only. These are all few of them. But AWS is categorizing totally 4 kind of fields. These are all as a AWS administrator. We're gonna be learning VPC, EC2, RTS, we have so many guys, please. N number of services, please, we're going to be learning, and we're going to be categorizing VPC, EC2, RTS, S3. These are all 4 services. These are all 4 services, guys, please. 4 services. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. It is a top view of AWS. It is a high level diagram of AWS. So it is AWS. Outer line is AWS. In this AWS, we can able to create a network. Network is nothing but a VPC. In this network, we can able to create a servers is nothing but AC. And we can able to create a database is nothing but a RDS. And we can able to create a storage is nothing but a S3. Yes, please. VPC is nothing but a network. EC2 is nothing but a servers, is nothing but a computing power. RTS is nothing but a database. S3 is nothing but a storage. I'm writing here, please. for your clarification, EC2 network VPC database, please. RTS storage is nothing but S3. Yes, please. Let us understand one by one, and how we gonna be using. Let us understand one by one. Okay, please. Yes, please. A virtual private cloud. VPC is nothing but exactly a virtual private cloud. A VPC is nothing but a virtual private cloud. Virtual private cloud. So, for your example, for your understanding, how exactly your office network, how exactly your home network. Your office network is physical network. The similar kind of network, please, we can able to get from AWS cloud in a virtual. That's of exact your office physical network, a similar kind of network we can able to get from AWS as a virtual. That is nothing but a VPC. In your office also we can have a server. Can able to access from outside world? No. No, it is not possible to access, please. In our office system, anybody can access from outside world? No, it is not. Because of that is your private area. The office network is a private area. The same concept here also. The VPC is a private network in AWS. Okay. For our understanding, please. For our understanding, Facebook is can anybody access, but your home page locked. Photos, videos. But if you're giving a permission to the friends, yeah, your friends can able to access. Yeah, the same way. AWS is a public access. Anybody can access, but your VPC is a private network. Your own private area. VPC is nothing but your private area. In the private area, we're going to be creating a resources like a servers and databases. And who can access, who cannot access, we're going to be writing the rules and regulations. A virtual private cloud is your private section of AWS where you can place AWS resources like a servers and databases. And who can access, who cannot access, we're going to be writing rules and regulations. Okay, that is exactly network. Okay, let us discuss about EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud. You know very well, cloud is nothing but internet. Compute is nothing but a RAM, CPU, motherboard, servers. You know very well about this. Computing, cloud. Cloud is nothing but internet. Computing is nothing but RAM, CPU, motherboard. What about Elastic? Already we discussed, please. Based on customer load, our infrastructure should be increased or decreased at any point of time. What is Elastic, guys, please? Based on our computing, based on our end users. Yes, please. Based on our customer load, our computing power will be increasing, decreasing, scale up and scale down is nothing but Elastic. So the combination of these three words we calling as a EC2. Okay. So by using EC2 we can able to provide a service like everything. So what exactly we have a computer, your laptop, the same thing available in server also, CPU, operating system, hard disk, RAM, security, NIC card, everything. But here we calling as a instance. We calling as a instance, guys, please. Okay, guys, please. Let us understand on real-time scenario. Okay, how we going to be using this cloud? Let us understand. For example, let us go for Hotstar application, or flip Netflix, or else maybe Prime Video, any kind of application. So if you can able to access this Hotstar application or internet, definitely it is an application, no doubt about it. Very good, very good. But how can able to deploy? First, in AWS, we have to create a network. It's nothing but a VPC. In this VPC, please, in this VPC, we're gonna be creating a server. We're gonna be creating a server. In this server, we're gonna be deploying an application. Please, we're gonna be deploying an application. That application we can able to access our internet like this. Okay, very good, very good. So we create a network, a private area, and we're going to be creating servers and deploying our hardware application. Very good. Very good. But what about our customer information, login information, where we can able to maintain our customer information? We're going to be maintaining under database, RDS. We're going to be maintaining our customer information like email, phone number, communication address, subscription information. We are maintaining under database is nothing but RDS. Final question. Okay, very good. We deploy our application successfully. We are maintaining our customer information in databases. Very good, very good. But what about these videos? What are the purpose of Hotstar? For web series, maybe movies. Okay. But where exactly you are maintaining, guys, please? Where exactly you are maintaining, guys, please? These are all movies. Where exactly we can able to maintain? Can able to insert into this RDS? No, it is not possible. But where exactly, please? S3 storage. So by using VPC, we can able to get a network, EC2 by helping of servers, and RDS database. S3 is nothing but maintaining our external storage. External storage is not internal. I hope we understood very clearly how exactly we are using cloud for deploying our application. So network, servers, databases, S3. Okay, guys, please. Okay, fine. Very good. That is exactly cloud. Okay, fine. So shall we experience in real time once? Shall we create a one server? Shall we create a one web server, please? Quickly. Shall we do this, please? What exactly I'm telling in this, please? Shall we do this in some within the real time example? Yeah, please. Fine. Yeah. So, guys, please. You have to sign up in AWS, please, first. How exactly please? Let us sign up in AWS. Sign up and sign in, please. Sign up and sign in. Please sign up AWS. If we can't be able to sign up, please let me know tomorrow. I'll help you. Okay. Please try to sign up. Okay. Then, or else if we have a document for creating a AWS account in how to sign up, how to activate this account, and I will share the document. Please, I will share that document. After sign up successfully, please. It is not paid actually. Minimum 500 rupees monthly. So 300 to 500 rupees we have to spend for this. It is not paid, but so based on the usage only, Sandeep, based on the usage, it won't be cross more than 300 to 400 rupees per monthly. Okay, if you're using free trial, but if you go for pay, yes, it definitely chargeable. Okay. But please try to sign up. If you can't able to do that, please let me know tomorrow. I'll help you. Okay, but I'll share the document. So by following the document, you can able to do that, please. Okay. So please let us do that, please. So after sign up successfully, after signing into this AWS account, we have an option called service. Just click on service, please. Just click on service and click on EC2, please. EC2, Elastic Cloud Compute. Click on EC2, please. Click on EC2. Then click on running instance. Click on running instance. I want to create a server. Guys, please. I want to create a server. And I want to install the software. I want to deploy some application. That's it. For today example for that. Okay. So click on services, EC2. Okay, click on running instance. Okay, click on launch instance. Okay, let us choose what exactly first of all, please. Operating system. Operating system. So let us choose an operating system called any kind of operating system. But let me choose Windows operating system or else Linux operating system, anything else, please. But let me choose Ubuntu Linux, please. I'm choosing Ubuntu Linux. So then what about next step, please? CPU, RAM, hard disk, security, and NIC card. Am I right? It's common for every laptop, every system or not, please. So I'm going to be choosing CPU, 1 core CPU, 1 GB RAM. But for this, we're calling as instance type T2 micro. So in this T2 micro only free. Don't choose any other. If you choose T2 micro, it won't get bill. But if you choose any other, it will be get the bill, guys. Please. These are the paid services. T2 micro only free time, please. Let us choose T2 micro. T2 micro has 1 core CPU, 1 GB RAM. Done. Let us configure the instance details. So for creating an instance, please, for creating an instance, we require a network or not, please? We require a network or not? Definitely. So that reason I'm going to be using, please, a default network. When exactly you sign up, automatically one default network is available. I'm going to be using for that. In this network, how many servers you want to create? N number of servers. N number of servers we can able to create, but don't be create like this, please. Create 1 or 2. Don't be cross more than 3, please. Don't be cross more than 3. It will be charged for you, please. Okay. So one server is, as of now, I'm going to be creating only one server in this default network. Okay, I'm going to be choosing 2A. 2A is a availability zone. Is nothing but a data center. Is nothing but a, please. Is nothing but a data center. I'm choosing it to data center. How many data centers are available here, please? 3. 2A, 2B, 2C. Guys, please. These 3 data centers are available in, please, in US. These 3 data centers, 2A, 2B, 2C. These 3 are data centers like this. Data center 1, data center 2, data center 3. Okay. I choosing these availability zones is nothing but data centers. These 3 data centers are available physically, please. These 3 data centers are physically available in US East Ohio region. And if you go to for Mumbai, yeah, go for Mumbai also. Mumbai also 3 data centers physically. Guys, please. For example, for our understanding, Hyderabad is a region. For example, Hyderabad is a region. Maitrivanam building is one data center. Our cyber tower is there physically. You can able to see that second data center. And Oracle office, my Nitec city, that is my third data center. Likewise, Ohio is a region in US East. We have a 3 data centers. So I'm going to be choosing 2A. That's all. So in this data center, please, I'm going to be choosing, please, yeah, hard disk. I should be choose hard disk. What are the size, please? Maybe 10 GB. You can able to increase also, but it will be charged for it. Okay. So what exactly I choosing, guys, please? I choose in a RAM. I choose in a CPU. I choose an operating system, please. I choose in a CPU. I choose an operating system, hard disk, RAM, and finally, what exactly, please? So name of the server, please. I want to name it my web server. I want to make this as a web server. And configure the security, please. Security, please, is nothing but a firewall. Who can access? Who cannot access? I'm going to be writing the rules and regulations. we're going to be writing some rules and regulations. So by helping of SSH, please, by helping of SSH, I can able to getting into the server, guys, please. By helping of SSH, I can able to logging into the server. I can able to install the software. SSH is nothing but a secure shell. By helping of SSH, we can able to log in from one Linux machine to another Linux machine, like RDP, from one Windows machine to another Windows machine. How can able to log in the same network? Yeah, by using remote desktop or not. The same way, one Linux machine to another Linux machine, we can able to log in by helping of SSH. Okay, good. But SSH port number is 22. Okay, who can access? Anybody, or else we can able to restrict particular IP or particular network from anywhere in the world. That's it. But I want to make this server as a web server or not. The default port number is 80, please. I'm going to be writing another rule call, please. 80. 80 for what exactly, please? Web server. The web server protocol is HTTP. That's it. Who can access this? Anybody. The server, anybody can access. By SSH, we can able to log into the server. We can install the softwares. And by using HTTP, by using 80 port number, we can able to access this web server over internet. Okay. Review, launch. So usually we are logging into, please. We are logging into any server, any operating system by helping of username and password. Username and password. But here AWS, not only for instead of username password, we can able to getting into these instances, into the servers by helping of keys, by helping of key pair, by helping of, please, key pair, please, by helping of key pair. Okay. So let us generate a new key pair. Let us create a new key pair. Let us give the key pair name, anything. For example, maybe my key, something. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, something. Any name you can able to give here. It is not exactly. You can able to give your name also. My, for example, Wahai key something. Wahai key 1 2 3 something. You can able to give any name. Okay. But with this name, if you click on this option, please, if you click on this option, one file will be downloaded. One file will be downloaded. The file extension is .com file. With this .com file, we can able to getting into the server. Okay. Very good. And launch instant. So what is the cloud? Anybody help me? What is the cloud? Anybody help me, please? What is the cloud? Anybody help me, please? What is the cloud? Anybody help me? If we can able to access remote place resources or internet from a laptop, is nothing but a cloud or no? The remote place resources, if we can able to control or access our internet from a laptop, is nothing but a cloud or no? So are we creating servers or not? Are we creating a servers? But the server is existing where exactly? In Ohio. In which is the region, please? Which is the region? Ohio region. And what are the data center name, please? That's it. We successfully launched. We successfully launched the guys, please. But how can able to access this? How can able to access the servers? How can able to logging into the servers? How can able to install the software? By helping of any Linux terminal like a putty, or any kind of Linux terminal. If you have a Linux terminal, more than enough. If you have a Linux terminal, it is more than enough to logging into the servers. So for that, so in Windows environment, we require a Linux terminal. For that, please, I'm going to be installing a third-party software for getting a Linux terminal. For that, So instead of please putty, I'm going to be using git bash. For that, let me install git for Windows. Please try to download. Please try to download, please. Please try to download 64-bit. Download Git software. After successfully downloading this, please. After successfully downloading this, please. And double click, please. Double click. Double click. Double click. Run, next, finish. And automatically git bash will be installed in a laptop. Then if you go for anywhere laptop, we have this option. If you double click on that, you can able to get Linux kernel. That's it. By helping of this Linux kernel, we can able to logging into our cloud servers. That is nothing but a broad network access. That is nothing but a broad network access, which already discussed. But how can able to getting into the server with the help of PEM file? Where is exactly PEM file? So show this PEM file where exactly located. I think I downloaded in download folder. For your explanation, please let me copy. Let me copy and pasting into the browser. So I'm pasting into the desktop. Yes, please. Okay. So then right click behind git bash. Right click git bash. Please. I'll repeat, guys. Please. I'll repeat. If you lose the PEM file, that means you're going to be losing a server. That's it. So let us go for cloud. Let us go for the cloud. Which server you want, please select the server. Connect, please connect. So copy this SSH connection, please. Copy this SSH connection. And where exactly desktop, please. Where exactly PEM file desktop. Where exactly PEM file, please. Right click. Open your Linux terminal and paste it. That's it. Yeah, we are in the server, please. We are in the cloud server, please. Yes, I'm in this cloud server. What is the IP, please? 190.170.31.12.222.0. Am I right? Is this or not, please? So it is a private IP. Okay, I got this. I hope you understood very clearly. But I want to make this server as a, please. I want to make this server as a, please. I want to make this server as a. I want to make this server as a, please. Web server. How can I, please? Let us execute. Let us switch to the, please, by helping of this command. Let us switch to the administrator. By helping of administrator, we can able to perform anything. So let us update the server first. Apt-get space update. And let us try to install the web server. Or how can I, please? Apt-get install, please. Efforts. Just to continue. Okay, guys, please. Our job is done, please. Let us go for public IP. Let us go for public IP. Let us go for public IP. Select the server. Let us go for public IP here. Copy this public IP and pasting into the browser. That's it, guys, please. It is my web server. So if you want to access the same web server page by helping of this public IP, you can able to access from your browser also. Please try to type in the same browser 3.3.133.124.8. Please try to type same page we can able to see. Same page. The same page, please. Yes, please. same page will be displayed. For example, I want to try to change this page. I want to try to change this page. Yeah, let me change this. So I want to add something called something. This is my AWS class. Something. So let us save this file, please, and let me refresh this. Okay, got this, guys, please? I hope you understood very clear. Guys, please. Okay, please. Very good. Very good. So I think I hope you understood very clearly today's session. So why? What is AWS? So by using AWS, we can able to get a rental servers and maintaining our application. Yes, please. So I hope you understood very clearly today's session. Okay. So before joining tomorrow's session, please. Before joining tomorrow's session, I'm requesting all of you, please sign up. Please sign up in AWS account. Okay. Try to Google it, please. Try to Google it, AWS console. AWS console, please. Go to this link and have exactly your sign up in Gmail, Facebook, the same way. Nothing else is there. Please provide your details and please go for payment gateway. Provide your bank details, credit card, debit card details. It will detect 2 rupees, a verification of phone number. Easy. Everybody can able to do this. It is easy to do that. But still, if we have any problem, if we got any issues, then please contact to me tomorrow. Then I help you how to sign up this. Okay. If we can't able to do that, even that, I'll provide the document. Okay, please. Who are all registered with Redmi? So I will give it to them document. They will forward it. Okay. Sir Sandeep Kumar, yeah, definitely. You're going to be receiving your recorded videos. Yesterday's also. Please contact the admin. They will provide it. Sandeep Kumar. They will forward yesterday record. Don't worry. So we are providing recorded session also each and every class. Okay. So each and every class will be uploaded into the Google Drive. You can able to access. Okay. Within 12 hours per day. For example, we connect this class within 12 hours time. We'll upload this class. Yeah, everything detailed. It is a demonstration, Shaila. This is a demonstration. Okay. This is only for introductory class. Each and every concept, each and every word, each and every topic we're going to be discussing thoroughly. Okay. We're going to be spent totally, please write down, please. I'm going to be giving information. So we're going to be spent, please, DevOps around maybe 2 months plus. 2 months plus then. Okay, plus is the plus is there. AWS we're going to be spent, please, 1 month plus. 1 month plus, please. Okay. Okay. Totally around maybe 3 months plus we're going to be spent this for learning. So we're going to be learning AWS DevOps with AWS. Okay. Then again we're going to be learning AWS. We're going to be teaching. I'm going to be teaching DevOps with AWS first. Then AWS completely. So for learning this, we require a Linux basics, please. Plus shell. I'm going to be covering in this also. I'm providing recorded videos. This Linux and shell. Please go through this. If you have any questions, I'll help you. Okay. Then class timings, please. 6 a.m. to please 7 a.m. Okay. Monday to Saturday. Okay, guys, please. Any questions? Please ask me. I'm ready to answer it. So we continue the classes. There is no demo tomorrow, please. Okay. We have a class tomorrow. We have a class tomorrow with the same timings. We'll continue. Don't miss introduction classes. So first introduction classes are very important. Okay, don't miss. But any questions, please? So one more information to all of you, please. Please wait. Yesterday I shared, but one more time I'll share. So please go through my content. So what exactly we're covering in AWS in DEVOPS, please go through once, please. No. So cloud is nothing but, for example only, Munakumar. The cloud means, so cloud, what is it cloud means? Through internet, we can able to get a resources. If we can able to access remote place resources over internet from a laptop is nothing but a cloud. That's it. So for example, for your striking your brains, I said I use the terminology cloud means internet. That's it. But actual meaning of cloud is if we can able to access a remote place resource like a server or a network or anything in database or storage over internet, if we can able to access from a laptop is nothing but a cloud. Terminals. Okay. Please use this link too, please. I think everybody received this link. Okay. Please use this. Fine, guys, please. Thanks for your time. If any question, I'm ready to answer you, please. I'm waiting. So, or else we will meet tomorrow at the same timing. Tomorrow at the same timing, we will meet. Okay. If any admin kind of question, please interact for admin. They will help you, please. If any still you have any questions about regarding an administration point of view, please keep touch with our admins. They will help you, please. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for time. Thank you. Thank you so much.